Nongwad RTI Bah Disparsing Rani Haba iakren bat ki nongpathai khubor haka arpunyo tarik ubnai Jylliew hajar arpoar ula pynbna halor ki katto katne tylli ki kam haki ophis tnat sorkar kiba shym thung iano ru haduh kine ki sngi. Haba pynshai halor ketika phang Bah Disparsing Rani ulaong baki kam ki lait haki ophis tnat sorkar ki long baroh shispa khat khandai tylli haka baki nongthep kam bat ki don shilak khat hajar sanspa phulaingut bat ru bala yo banlum ya pisa by examen kabakot haduh ka sanpunyo lak prapu hajar laispa punyo tingka.
Today I came here to brief the RTI report furnished by the Meghalaya Secretariat regarding the vacancy of 119 number of grade 4. In this RTI file by me, the Secretariat furnished the report that the vacancy is still pending with the Secretariat due to the government or due to the High Court order on 5/4/2022. In this connection, the RTI reply said that the matter is under process and the examination will be conducted in due course of time. That is number one as per the RTI furnished by the Meghalaya Secretariat. In connection with the fees collect from the posts of 119 posts, the total amount collect from the total number of candidates apply for this post is 1,16,563. That is the total number of applicants, and the total amount collected by the office is 57,88,367. That is the total amount regarding the post called by the Secretariat. The total number of candidates is 1,16,563. That is number 2 in RTI furnished by the Secretariat. Number 3 is connection with the permission, because as per the complaint I received from different departments that there is a misconduct from the department that those who are the genuine person to promote to the post has been sidelined by someone who have a link with the political person. Instead of giving the post to the right one, the post has gone to the wrong one. That is the violate as per the service book of the Meghalaya Secretariat record, rows 6, 7, 8 and 9. That is the as per the complaint I got from the different department. In this question, as per the report, I got that regarding the promotion for the officer to the different posts, there is a separate committee. Mean for the department, there is called as the Department Promotion Committee, DPC, constitute for selection of candidates for among the senior most grade 4 staff for promotion to the higher posts. That means the officer from now onward or the staff of different, they should know their right. Their right means there is a different committee. If there is any violation of the service book, they should complain to the Departmental Promotion Committee. That is their right as per the service rule of Meghalaya. In connection with the Secretariat, there is separate rule which is called the Selection Committee headed by the Chief Secretary. And the posts in the Secretariat including supplier, door-free, jamandar, grade 4 and staff service rule 1986. That is the RTI furnished by the Meghalaya Secretariat. From now on, I request all the officer and the staff who has been sidelined by any person, you kindly please complain to me so that I can help them in connection with the permission for the vacant post. Thank you.